We've had 3-4 days now of straight rain, and here are our usual suspects. Some corellas, lorikeets. That's Westy on the right. This fella getting his shoot off. He's been a regular for 5, 6, 7 years. Always walks around as if he owns the place. But deep down, we know who owns the place. It's the lorikeets. The seed was put down for the corellas, but that won't stop the lorikeets. Here's Wesley. Come on. There's definitely a pecking order. Back of the house, the cat enclosure is under a couple of inches of water. So obviously our cats aren't going out in a hurry. You can see all these fellas are pretty dirty. Because the hollows in the trees where they're nesting would be pretty saturated, I would suggest. That's Westy in front here. Laurie's enjoying a piece of apple. All stuff that's been thrown out from our aviaries as we change food every morning. Change the food, water and seed every morning. So these lucky guys get the excess, the surplus. Well, they all just took off as you saw. It's usually an indication there's a cat around. The minor bird just before screeching. Doesn't seem to faze this lorikeet. He's quite happy. He's got the whole piece of apple to himself. Okay, and they're coming back.